The workshop today is really very interesting. I enjoyed the way Joe presented the packages and the benefits of starting new recruitment business. I've been really longing to start this business long time before, like 10 years ago. I've attended the seminar that time, but I just didn't have really enough resources to pursue that passion, because I'm really passionate at this kind of business. And today I braved myself to come in, although I'm not financially really ready, but Joe has been really very accommodating, and the presentation was really inspiring. That's why I said to myself, I really wouldn't want to miss this opportunity. And I guess for all those who are aspiring to be in this kind of business, I would really encourage you to join this seminar with Joe, because this will really give you a good insight about what we're missing out there as regards this recruitment business. My main motivation is really about achieving freedom, achieving flexibility, for me to be able to enjoy my own time and be flexible with all the things that I need to look after, like my family, my work. It's about being free from all the pressure around you, and at the same time being able to financially sustain yourself, your passion and goals in life. I would like to recommend this to who have been working in a kind of job for quite a while now, and those who would like to have their own freedom and manage their own time without boss to dictate when and where and what to do. So this workshop is going to be very helpful. I would really recommend them to attend this startup program. I believe Joe will really take you on to the next level with your business plan, and you won't regret it.